आपका स्वागत है इस वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में। देखिए, मैं करीब रोज़ ही कुछ ना कुछ वीडियो डालता हूँ यूट्यूब पे, तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए। अगर आप इसे लाइक करते हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, तो आप नए नए वीडियो जो है आप देखते रहेंगे। देखिए, मैंने आज सुबह ही एक वीडियो डाला था जिसमें कि ये गिरी गाय के का डंका करके, मतलब गिरी गाय सुप्रीम ऐसा करके डाला था। तो कुछ सम ऑफ दी viewers have asked me to tell about this thing in English. So I am telling this thing in English. You see, right now there is a very big concern about the global warming, that what will happen. And this is more so true because in Canada recently the temperature has been touching 49 degrees centigrade. So that's a worried whole world. And 100 years back, these Brazilians has taken our cows, this Haryana, Angol, Giri, and all Indian breeds to Brazil. The reason was quite evident that these animals, they don't suffer of the ticks, and once you remove the ticks, then you use pesticide. This pesticide goes into the soil and then it causes the cancer. So the whole strategy was, because those are that is a Christian community, so they are meat eating country. So they have taken these breeds as a matter of fact for beef production, not for milk production. But surprisingly, this Giri breed, this has got a selection pressure, and because of that, some of the Giris have been producing more than the Holstein, and those have been then they have produced the progeny tested bulls after that. The progeny tested bulls are those bulls in which case the daughter is giving more milk, the daughter is giving more milk than the mother of the bull. So that takes a huge number of animals, because out of say 100, only 2 or 3% are progeny tested. So they have done it once, then twice. It takes about 5 years to go through one progeny testing, and then again you will try that daughter is giving more than mother, then again you will try. So many generations they have tried. In between there has been the genetic engineering has developed so much, so they have removed, genetically they have removed all the bad traits of this thing. I may also mention here that if my father was intelligent, then it is not necessary that my son will be intelligent. The same goes true with this milk production. If mother is producing more milk, there is no guarantee that his daughter will also produce. There are chances, but 2 or 3% chances are there. Like on wherever these Sahiwal, Giri, and Red Sandhis are kept. I myself have been director of the farm, and there were about 300 Sahiwals, and in Dehradun, Kalsi, there are about 300 Red Sindhi, and Junagadh they have got this Giri, and elsewhere also there are farms. And whenever you will visit these farms, they will show you a cow producing about 20 liters of milk. But if you take the average of the herd, then it is only 6 or 7. Whether it is Red Sindhi or Junagadh, Giri or Sahiwal at Pantnagar or elsewhere in this place, your Lucknow and Meerut, there are so many herds of this Sahiwal are there. Sahiwal is from Sahiwal district of Pakistan, that is next to the Punjab boundary. But these other animals are desert animals like Giri and Tharparkar and Rathi. So these are the 4 breeds which are very important. The point over here is that what is genomic? Genomic are usually our cow gives 5,000 liters of milk, good cows, and buffalo are also equally well. They give about 5,000, 4,000 to 5,000 on farms. Even at farmer's door, they may give more or less. So, but these progeny tested bull animal, they give much more. They give 10,000 in 10 months. So 300 days, 10 months, 305 days. We say 305 days because 5 of the months are of 21, 31 days. That's why the lactation is counted that way. So 5,000, then I told you that 10,000, there are many Jersey and Holstein bull which are producing 10,000. Now the genomics are producing much more than that. They are producing 15,000, 18,000, 20,000, 24,000. 24,000 per lactation is a record. That means 2,000 liters of milk per month. That's a 2,000 liters of milk per month is a big thing. Say 60,000 rupees per, or let's say 6 lakhs rupees per lactation you are fetching from these animals. Anyway, what I am saying is that genomics are one which has the capacity to produce over 10,000 liters of milk. They are having so many qualities. They are heat resistant, they do not abort, they conceive, there is no problem of repeat breeding, and the genomics have got also sex semen, so you can produce only the only the female. The male is a big problem in case of cow, because you see the agriculture is now mechanized, so bull is no longer required that much, only 2-3%. Some in remote area they are using, but they are also switching on to small tractors or things like that. Now, I was telling on the whole that what is genomic? Genomic is the semen, in which case the progeny tested bull semen is there, and genetically it has been modified by their behavior for management. The bad genes have been removed and the good genes have been preserved. So the question is that so many people are tempted to keep cow, but they see in Punjab that cow is giving 50 liters, 40 liters, so they are very much tempted. But that semen costs too much. If you will procure the semen of this progeny tested bull or the elite bulls, then it will cost too much, about 700, 500 rupees, and it's this thing, sack semen is 4,000 rupees. So, first of all, it is not so easily available. And the second thing is they don't give more than less than 10 this thing. So, that is the from Punjab and elsewhere, they pick up the rosy picture that this is the one, and they start dairying. But first of all, you should have cylinder, and you should procure the semen, and then you should go for it. Maybe you have purchased animals from Punjab, now you will put the bad semen in that. So, what I am trying to put in is that milk production is not a profitable venture. If you have that thing in mind, I am sorry to tell you that you will meet total failure. If you don't produce good animals and if you don't sell animals, then milk selling is no good a business. Processing of the milk or producing of the animal is lucrative. So, why I am telling you that these Giris, the Brazilian, have come up with these genomic Brazilian has come up with the genomics. These are genomic Brazilian, and they are producing say 18,000 or 15,000 milk and 10 months. 1,000, say 2,000 liters per month. That's a big this thing. And their sex semen is also available. Their genomic Giri semen is costing about 700, 600 rupees, and their this sex semen is costing about 3,000 rupees, and you will have to purchase 10, otherwise you will not get it, and you will not get it so easily. However, if you purchase in bulk this thing, and if you contact ABS India, they will supply it. There is no problem. But the thing is, everybody says that ABS का साहब हमको सीमेंट लगाना है. So ABS semen is available for 50 rupees also, 28 rupees also. But the genomics is the backbone of whole dairying. Whether it is a Holstein genomic, it is a Giri genomic, or it is a Jersey genomic. So the one who are going with the genomic, they are maintaining only 4 or 5 animals and are producing 2,000 liters of milk, or 200 liters of milk per day. So many people come and ask me, sir, I am making a dairy and how many animals I should keep. I always ask them that how much milk do you plan to produce per day? If you plan to produce 200, 300 liters of milk, you hardly need 10 animals if they are genomics. So this is my whole lecture is for the genomic, this genomic, as I am showing, this genomic I am showing, this is a fantastic animal. It is fantastic because you see they sustain high temperature, they keep on giving bachcha for long time, they have not much problem of mastitis, metritis, blood protozoan, and above all they don't suffer of the ticks, and you need not to use the pesticide for killing the ticks, which eventually goes for the the pesticide goes into land and it comes in the crop and it comes in the food and it causes cancer. So some of the gentlemen have requested me to I have published this morning one video saying that Giri ka Danka means the supreme animal Giri. So some of the fellows have requested me that I should put it in English. That's why I am making my this effort. And you see, if you have the camera wala a gun, and if you have semen, then you are a winner. We are selling the camera wala a gun for 15,000 rupees. We train people online with this gun. You can do the insemination. But the fact is that you must procure cylinder and you must keep semen with you. This semen is not available, nobody will sell it, nobody will keep it. Your inseminator or veterinary doctor will fetch you on demand, and that too you do not know whether it is available or not. Because even in Haryana and Punjab people are finding difficult, so they only those are surviving which are performing AI themselves using camera gun and have semen. If you are dependent on the local this inseminator, he will do a nice job, but he is helpless because nobody is going to pay him 1,000 rupees for semen, and he does not have money to purchase semen for 10,000 rupees because nobody will purchase. So because a lot of educated ladies and the engineers and the medicos, they are coming up in this land. Reason I don't know, but after lockdown there is a lot of rush towards this side, and they think that it's very lucrative to go for dairying, but beware. We are running a dairy school, and we are educating people for opening dairy and how to start dairy. Those are 5 days lecture online. WhatsApp I am taking it, or a lot of people are attending that. This is from Monday to Friday, 1 hour every day, and that you can ask me anything for many months. Even otherwise you will ask me, I am ready to answer your questions. But the young people who are coming in this line are very much appreciating that thing, that how they should go on it. I've been professor for veterinary science for a long time, and at present I am teaching genetic engineering after retirement in 2004. So I couldn't understand that what do they mean by the genomic semen, and this is the key issue in opening dairy, and a lot of people are coming with that. And there are hormones, there is no problem for mastitis, there is no problem for repeat breeding, there is no problem for housing, and there is no problem for investing a big money in it. That is the whole thing. You should concentrate on keeping only 10 to 15 animal in this country. If you are producing 5,500 liters of milk per day, then you are a winner, and you can do a great job. It's a continuous job. Even in lockdown, people are going for it. So I repeat that I sell this camera wala AI gun for 15,000 rupees with training, and we will make you perfect. We will help you fetching semen and other things. Unless you do AI yourself and keep the semen, I doubt that you can progress. Thank you very much for listening. Our dairy school is there. We are Mr. Rathore, Rakesh Rathore is the handling it, and his telephone number is 7300 77117. 7300 77117. His number is, and my number is 8979748686. You can call me anytime. I will be happy to answer your questions.